Hey, if you're a 3D printmaker or designer, you don't need another social network. You need more paid work. This is JustPrint, a global marketplace where designers, makers, and innovators come together to bring real 3D printed products to life. On JustPrint, everything is focused on 3D. You can showcase your work, get discovered by customers worldwide, and plug into a dedicated ecosystem built for 3D printing. Creators, models, and printed parts are already live and growing every day. Print is built specifically for 3D designers who want to offer custom 3D models and design services, and 3D print makers who want a steady flow of print jobs for their machines, and customers who need reliable partners for both design and printing. In future, JustPrint will also open up to finishing and post-processing artists, so painted and display-ready parts can be part of the same workflow.